How to fix Duolingo, an error occurred, try again later, server error or app issue for your iPhone or Android. Of course, this specific issue will usually occur if you have a not stable internet connection. And you just have to make sure that your internet connection is strong and have at least a full signal bar so that it can run smoothly. Now, the other basic troubleshooting step that you could do is just to go into the Duolingo application by simply tapping and holding in it and go into the eye icon. It will redirect you to app info. In here, just choose on clear data at the lower right and make sure to comply both of these options. Clear all data and clear all cache as well. Now, if this does not work or if this does not resolve the problem, then what you want to do is just to simply uninstall the application, hit on OK, and then try to reinstall the app once again. And those are just the very basic troubleshooting step for you to be able to fix Duolingo. An error occurred, try again later with the server or app issue using your iPhone or Android.